Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Semi-truck got added. Here's my beautiful old rig. Also, there's a glitch on the semi. I don't know if it was just in last server I was in, but the wheels were disconnecting. See, it just did it. Look at that. They're not tied down. Look. Yeah, so the semi-truck does have its... Look at that. I'm just losing wheels. So yeah, that's sort of annoying. Let me show you the new stuff. I am here to get some cabbage, but I won't show you. There is a new tractor. The AP 450 and the RE and the ER 82. I think those are all the new tractors. Nothing new really till you get down trailers. Go. That's how big I have big trailer and large liquids transport and semi-trailer, semi-truck and big. Only a few new changes. I thought there would be cotton at it, like new crop or something. I'm losing wheels. This sucks. P.S. I spent like almost. The semi-truck costs a lot. Yeah, so the semi-truck slowly loses all its wheels. This is very fun times. Yes, yes. Stop volume. This is not on. Finally! One wheel's back. How the chickens already ate? Here, stop being sick. Don't die. Oh, you disconnected again, butthole. God darn wheels. Now, where's my tier 3 seater? Might be in the garage. I don't know. Also, where's my new pickup? Might be in the garage too. I hate how it's like you have all the space in your garage. Let's take up all of it, or like 1/4 of it. There's a Fordson. Trailer, stop eating the Fordson. Alright, now it's just sucking on it. Nothing that my new pickup truck can't fix. I think it stopped. Trailer! Leave the Fordson alone. Okay. I need something big like a semi. How big is my Don't worry. I'm going to bash here. They're separated. Ah! Oh my god. This is really stressful. So you're gonna plant some cabbage. Next episode of Farming with Friends, we're going to be getting the new milk trailer. Maybe getting the new tractor. I'm just planting cabbage. Yes, yeah. I love how people just pay for rain. It's like it really helps. But they don't even know they're helping other players. They're just like, I need witness. I should do a time lapse sometime. I really should. I haven't done a lot of editing on my channel. But hey, look. Yesterday, we reached 200 subs. So I just want to say thank you all for that. Thank you so much for, oh no, okay, well. Don't listen to music while you're recording, guys. Make sure you're going to do it during a live stream because you're literally doing that for 6 hours. Alright, perfect. Rain on my cabbage. Now we need plow field. And where are we going to put the big rig? That's a question. I don't really know. I don't know where we're going to put the big rig. Let's go inside our house. And let's finish decorating it. Because I didn't check if there were any new pieces of furniture. Let's do a round table. Let's buy that. I'm going to put that right there. Bottom bed. Leather chair. Boom. Yeah? Yeah. Guys, wait. I'm back, guys. Just, yeah, so, let's do the couch now. I'm going to try, maybe have, like, the couch right there. Then, I went desk. One rocking chair, coffee table. That's what I'm looking for. And another coffee table. I'm gonna sell this. Yes, I'd love to sell this. No TV. No TV. Okay, well, I'm going to sell. Also, that was poking out the window. And let's just do a coffee table. They need to add more furniture in this game. And maybe a lamp right here. Boom. That is my living room, guys. I like it. That's blacklisted mean. Oh, God. Alright. You're blocked off their plot. You're blocked off their plot. You can't step foot on their plot. What? I just joined. Yeah. And step foot on their plot. There's people who blacklist us for no reason. I'm sometimes one of those people, but at least I don't do it as soon as someone joins. Like, sure, it's understandable I'm playing crazy. If I get attacked while building and playing crazy 3 times, everyone's blacklisted. Oh, other than my friends. But if they start doing it, then they're blacklisted for like 10 seconds. But if they keep on doing it, then they're blacklisted forever. Not forever, but until I leave the game. I just like being left alone. That's sometimes how I feel, but at least you need to give us a cause. I don't know how, but I was going to. I just like being left alone. I just don't understand many people who blacklist in this game, because like they're really just settle. Nobody's really going to come over your base. Like, sure, they'll have a friendly talk. If you really want to be left alone, it's sad. They're just overly friendly people. I want to have conversations. Now, yes, I blacklisted people for no reason. Because I just wanted to be left alone like him. So, yeah. Which made that entire talk pointless. Are my wheels falling off? I count 800? Bro, this thing is insane. I'm going to report the bug in the description so moderators or anyone that is like a developer of Farming and Friends, look in the description of this video, because there is a bug with the tractor trailer. The wheels fall off whenever you're driving, so fix that. And now I said that, you don't need to read a description. Only if you really want to read me saying it joins. Look at me and, yeah. I'm bored. Now, you guys have been requesting a Farming and Friends video lately, so here your video is for today. And I'm uploading once a day, remember that. Sorry if my uploading schedules are switching around. I'm still seeing what schedule fits me the best, and I'm going to stick with this schedule for like 1 year. Hopefully in 1 year I get 10,000 subs. Like, I got, like, yeah. On my channel's like 1 year old. What's the subscriber count gonna be? Like 1,000, maybe somewhere in the 900s. I don't know. Like, I just feel scared a bit. Like, I'm going to be out in the open, and then 500 subscribers, I'm gonna do a face reveal. Then, a couple of years fly by. I'm still using my webcam, so anyone who finds me in public just gonna ask me for my autograph if they watch my videos. Like, I don't want that much attention. Oh, sure, I'll sign autographs. My my writing sucks. Not like the word, not like how I write. It's like I'm really sloppy with my handwriting. It's like, you want an autograph? I'll just put TBB for the Blue Bandit. And if you want something better than that, I'll just put my name. I don't know. I think I'm getting ahead of myself. I shouldn't think of those times yet. But hey, at least I'm thinking about the future of YouTubing. Or YouTube uploading. I'm not here to sound like 80-year-old grandma saying, "You finished with that YouTubing?" No. Okay, alright, we have another bug. Trailer's being a pain. Oh God. Yeah, so there's a lot of bugs. You sure you didn't test? I'm sure you tested this thing before you put it in the game. It's being a freaking pain. Okay. I'm not here to waste my Robux. What's up with the Farmer's Cup? You crush her when you're not playing. You get 5% more coins for crops. Choose where to spawn your farm, special name and shit. The way they've made this game is insane. All the tabs, the programming, each time someone takes a screenshot, the tabs just fade away. It's beautiful. And then you have Members Club, which basically all it does is it thinks about how long you've been gone and how long the crop takes to grow. Then they say, well, this should be fully potted by now. So when you spawn your farm, they just grow themselves. Like, how do I say this? When you load your farm, they aren't fully grown. But when your farm is ready, the programming says to max growth, and it fully grows. So then you can harvest your crops. That's probably how it works. That's how I would do it. Sounds complicated. A bit. Also, thanks for the guy who told me this was in the game now. He's amazing. He was just around viewer and he saw a semi truck is gonna be in the next Farming and Friends video, and he says, and today I wake up and he says, it's in the game now. What? Very fun moment. Well, instead of driving around, I probably should do something productive, like plow the field right here. One of my friends just joined. We're friends from Roblox Odyssey, so we were goofing around this cop. And I was reported so many times, but I never got banned. And you wanna know what we did? I grabbed my RV, and he grabbed his Lamborghini, he pinned a car together, and boom! Thing would just burst into the air. It was freaking cool. We made the first car cannon ever to exist. Amazing when you think about it. Also, mostly every sinking I do on tiny ships is like fictional. I get really mad when people tell me like the real sinking. It's like, I know the real sinking. It's just meant to be fictional. Then this one guy told me, oh, if it's fictional, then like put fictional on the title. I'm like, that's a darn good idea. I gotta give him that. Whoever did that, shout out to you. You're the best. So there's a guy who told me that, all my fans are the best. All of my 203 subscribers are the best. Well, if you're watching from the future in 2030, I might have like 100, 300, like 100 million subscribers. So you're like, wow. Yeah, but if you're watching this in like the future, I probably have like 10,000 subscribers. Why am I talking? Why am I talking like this? Like someone time traveled back in time to see how the good old days were of me uploading. Whoa. Hey, time traveling might be a real thing. Like, the only reason we had cave people in the Jurassic times were maybe if someone went back in time in a secret teleporting machine thing, in like a time machine, and got brainwashed on the way there. Now they had to start all over again. What if that's actually true? Let's just think about the words that just came out of my mouth. Let's think about how weird that was. Oh boy. So don't buy coins in this game. I'd say it's a big waste. Like, buying coins, that's not worth it, dude. Almost 3,000 Robux for 70,000 coins. Only 30 Robux for 400 coins. Now, I have bought these too, like 3 times. But, like, they were a waste, I gotta say. Let's look on the comments of this for a second. 200 subs. Yes, we got a supporter. A lot of people are happy that I have 200 subs. And I do a series of Roblox Skyblock. I don't know. I might. Boom. I replied to him. Is he happy now? I don't know. Will he be happy? I don't know. Okay. I'm just going to stay in my vehicle. But the requirements for getting abducted by the UFO or the UFO even coming is everyone needs to be out of a vehicle. At least everyone. I think everyone. Probably. And then you have to hope and pray that the thing comes to your base. How good is this cabbage growing? Well, guys, we'll continue this in the next video. So guys, that'll be the end for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!